Welcome back to Bone Smoke and Sizzle. Today we're gonna make a sausage called Longaniza Fresca. For the Longaniza Fresca we need 400 grams of lean pork, which you can see here on your left, and we need 600 grams of pork belly, which you can see here on the right. From the herbs and spices we need 18 grams of table salt per kilo. We need 2.5 grams of ground white pepper. We need 0.5 grams of ground nutmeg per kilo, and we need 0.5 grams of ground cinnamon per kilo. From the casings we use sheep casings, and we will be using 22 to 24 mil. So that's it from the meat side and from the herbs and spices side, and also from the casings. The next thing what we need to do is we need to set up the grinder with the 10 mil blade. I've already set up my grinder, and what you see here is the 10 mil blade. Let's grind that meat. So the meat is nearly done. That's it. And the next thing what we need to do is now mix it with the herbs and spices and get it ready. So let's add the salt, the white pepper, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon. The Longaniza Fresca doesn't use any water, so we need to mix that so it's nice and binding. And of course all the spices and salt is mixed in properly. That will take a few minutes. The mix is getting there. So that's done. It's nice and sticky now. So if you look, that's what the mix looks like. You see a nice coarse cut. That's what you want. So what I will do is now, I put this in the filler and let's start filling sausages. Let's get this mix into that. So push it down, make sure you have no air in there. So that will do. Let's start filling. Let's get the casings ready. Find the opening, put 2 fingers in it, a bit of water in there, and pull it up. Should come fairly easy. Now On the end we put a knot in it, pull it towards to the end, tighten it. Bit of water on the casings. Let's start filling them. Fill them semi-firm. Up. I need more casings. So that last casing was not enough, so I had to prepare another one quickly. Probably doesn't need much. There might be just 2-3 sausages in there. Let's see. That's it. So that's done. Cut it off. And let's twist those sausages. So what you want to do is we want to twist them around 10, 12, 13, 14 centimeters. Like I showed at times. Hold, squeeze gently. Don't forget, those casings are much softer than the box casings. And just twist them the way you want them, as this size. So there's a bit of longer one, that's okay for me. So that's those ones done. Let's do the next ones. Sort twist, hold, turn. You see? So when you start off the first one, hold it, turn it, and that will then give you the starting point. You see, it's fairly easy. Over time you get the hang of it. They're good looking sausage as well. So here I got a smaller one again, so we see I leave a little one, but that's okay. You can leave it longer as well. Let's have a look what those sausages look like. A good looking coarse cut sausage. You can see it's really good looking and has a nice coarse cut. So you could see to make the Longaniza fresca is very easy. There's a few ingredients there. It's a coarse cut sausage filled in sheep casings and it's beautiful fried. I hope you enjoyed that video about the Longaniza fresca. If you did, please like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. There's a lot more videos to come. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Have fun making sausages. Until the next time, see you and bye bye.